Officially operating from 1st July 2006, Intimex Group started from one company and three small branches with only 98 people, charter capital of 14.4 billion dong and poor facilities. After acquisitions, Intimex Group joint stock company has grown, becoming a prestigious brand of Vietnam in the field of export processing agricultural products, import frozen food, iron and steel, operating supermarkets and trading of construction materials. Today, more than 1,000 people contribute on the quality and practices of the company, and we will continue to grow even more in the future. Up to now, Intimex Group has achieved an average growth rate of 10 to 50% per year. It has 1,100 people. Charter capital is about 429 billion Vietnam dong. Import and export turnover are 1.3 billion USD per year. Revenue of 41,000 billion Vietnam dong per year. After 17 years of development, the operating network of Intimex Group has stretched from north to south of Vietnam with 8 branches and 16 member companies that dominate 51% or more. And we also have the member units established abroad. Currently, Intimex Group owns 13 high-quality green bean coffee processing factories located in crucial areas of the Central Highlands and Southeast, which has produced 750,000 tons per year. In addition, we also have 2 clean pepper processing plants in Bình Dương and Gia Lai, a rice processing factory exported in Đồng Tháp, 2 cashew processing factories in Bình Dương and Tây Ninh, 4 concrete production factories in Đà Nẵng, Quảng Nam and Quảng Ngãi, a mining of construction stone in Đà Nẵng, a 3-lane brick factories in Lâm Đồng and 4 supermarkets in Đà Nẵng and Nha Trang. In particular, Intimex Group has invested in building high-quality instant coffee factories in Bình Dương. Now, the company has an average amount of coffee export 450,000 tons per year, which is the #1 coffee production leader in Vietnam, accounting for nearly 30% of the country's export. Rice export 800,000 tons per year, which brought Intimex to become the largest rice export enterprise in Vietnam in 2022. The amount of pepper export over 5,000 tons per year, cashew nuts export over 4,000 tons per year. As a leading buying and exporting enterprise in Vietnam, in recent years, Intimex Group has promoted cooperations and associations with localities to participate in sustainable agricultural productions, practice to improve high-quality products, contribute to social and economy of Vietnam. Moreover, we also focus on environmental development, including sustainable coffee programs such as 4C, UTZ, Rainforest. In 2022, the number of farmers participating in sustainable coffee productions organized by Intimex Group was nearly 38,000 households, an area of over 70,000 hectares, and the output reached 280,000 tons. About green bean coffee, the group has invested in building an instant coffee factory in December 2019 in Vietnam Industrial Park Singapore 2, Bình Dương Province, with a capacity of 4,000 tons every year. Currently, the factory has put into stable productions with a capacity of 300 tons per month, providing for domestic and export to international markets. Despite having had to go through the difficult periods of the economy, both in Vietnam and overseas, Intimex Group still affirmed the positions of the strong multi-sectoral corporation. From 2006 to 2022, the total number of import and export turnover of the company reached 1.3 billion USD. Total revenue reached 395,000 billion dong. Paying the budget reached 365.8 billion dong. Intimex Group has become the strong corporation. In the next 5 years, the group determines the strategies of investment in debt and profit breakthrough, which is the periods of focusing on improving the value of agricultural export. To build an instant coffee factory was absolutely a right decision. Intimex aimed to double the current capacity of instant coffee factories by 2022 and 2023. Determined to increase capacity to 18,000 to 20,000 tons per year and become one of the enterprise producing instant coffee products Vietnamese had in 2026. Finally, in order to maintain the leading rice export unit in the country, Intimex Group focused on completing the chain of food processing factories in the Mekong Delta, the largest rice material area in Vietnam. The company tried their best to increase production capacity to 500,000 or 600,000 tons per year. Besides, make sure we meet all the demands of goods and control products. Quality of all customers are our priority. Along with maintaining stabilities in other major industries such as processing coffee, pepper, cashew, construction materials, Intimex Group is determined to achieve other goals in the next 5 years periods to raise the turnover. Import and export of the groups increase by 1.5 times, revenue grow by 1.5 times, profit go up 3 times. Intimex Group, proud to reach further.